Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Taco Tuesday because I got something else for the truck. This time it's going to be inside the engine bay. So let me go ahead and pop the hood and we'll take a look at what it is. Alright guys, so this part is actually more about the cool and less about the function. What I got was a replacement support bar for the battery. Alright, so I follow Rob Motive. If you are into Tacomas, I recommend his channel. He does everything Tacoma. He's had a huge of different models over the years. He has a whole channel just dedicated, which is Rob Motive. He actually has a couple other vehicles. He has other channels, I think, on a new Prius, and I want to say he used to have a Civic, not anymore. I want to say maybe a Jeep Renegade, something like that. But anyway, he showed the first version of this, all right, which had a really cool pattern, kind of like a topographical map. To me, it looked like Damascus because I'm a knife guy. But they just came out with a new generation, all right, which I like even more. So let me pop this out here. We'll take a look at it. These are 80 bucks on their website. So here it is. Hopefully I can get you a good shot of this. I know the sun's kind of right in the shot here. Actually, let me give you a different shot. Hang on a second. Let me zoom in a little. This way you guys actually see this thing. All right, that's not gonna work either. Let's go down more. Let's put it right down here. How about that? I'll zoom in on it. All right, obviously I'll give you a hands up, close-up shot once it's installed. Anyway, so this is, again, Mace MFG. They're actually gonna do a giveaway for this part, which is on their Instagram. It's the same thing, Mace MFG. So if you're interested in one of these, you can win one. It should start today on Tuesday and end Friday. If you're interested in buying these, I'd recommend going to Rob Motive's channel. He has a link for it where he's going to get credit. I want to give him credit because that's where I saw this first. Just kind of binge watch all of his videos as soon as I got the Tacoma, and seems like a nice guy. You know, he does a lot of modding on his truck, so it's very fun to watch and learn about different things. But anyway, this is going to just directly replace this guy right here. All right, so it's going to go just like that. Now I also got a battery hook here, all right, so I can use this particular piece and a little bag of hardware. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a wrench and install this guy. It's really straightforward. I mean, again, you can watch Rob Motive's video for the installation, but I'm going to pop this on here and we can see the difference. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so that was it. Pretty straightforward. So here's the original bracket. You can see that on the back side here, this post that kind of keeps tension on everything is part of this piece, or at least it's like, tack welded or something. Here's the original screw for the other one. You're reusing the front bar, but the back bar is being replaced. That's why they gave us a different size there. All right, just used a single 10 millimeter, the one that you're probably missing, deep socket, and I did use an extension here just to make it a little easier. Of course, you could just use a wrench if you wanted to. There it is. Real straightforward, just kind of a cool little custom look. That's all. I'm not looking to really go crazy in here, dressing everything up. I may or may not eventually do some kind of an intake. I don't know. I'm on the fence about that. Maybe when I, after a couple of years or when I own the truck. But I thought this was really neat. It's just something that stuck with me. I like the version 2 a lot. The first one that Rob Motive put on there, again, that topographical, map kind of / Damascus look. That's a totally different look. And there's different finishes in both as well. They have a solid black one. They have like a bronze. They have a very, very highly polished aluminum. So, I mean, this literally looks like titanium, but it's just billet aluminum. But just awesome. Just really cool. Again, just dressing it up. The old one held the battery in just fine. The new one's going to hold the battery in just fine. There's really no difference there as far as function. The thing is not moving. Just snugged it up a little bit, and we're good to go. So there you go. Just something new for the old Tacoma. I do have some other stuff planned in the future. We'll see. Like I said, every Tuesday it's kind of random whether I'm doing a Taco Tuesday or not. But yeah, big shout out to Rob Motive for the suggestion. Like I said, I watch his videos and some other people's videos as well, and I get all kinds of cool ideas, and just about functionality or money or time. In this case, it's just something I thought was really cool and I wanted to try out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Hey, don't forget, if you're interested in one of these, you can win one for free. Again, from their Instagram page, it's Mace MFG. All right, check it out. It's going to be going for this week, I believe. That's all. Hopefully you have a good one, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.